Guys, welcome to Beast Ride DIY. I'm going to show you how to install one of these carbon monoxide alarms from First Alert. I will link this in the description, but this is a 2-pack. First Alert is a pretty well-known brand. These ones, I actually wasn't aware when I bought them, but these ones are going to hang on the wall. Picking a place for your carbon monoxide detector, you're not going to want to do it in a laundry room with like a furnace or within about 20 feet of one of those. You wouldn't want to do it in a kitchen either. Generally, you want to do them in hallways outside of bedrooms and one on each floor. What you do is go ahead, open this up, and now it won't let you close the battery compartment without putting a battery in. I think that's by design. It does come with a battery, which is nice. So we're just going to go ahead and put our battery on in and press it to the left. Now once you have your battery in, the door is going to close. So once you have the battery in, this will go ahead and click down, and you can go ahead and test it. You just press that button and it's going to test the alarm as you just heard. It'll do two beeps where it beeps 3 times. So you do want to make sure, because sometimes you have to push this battery in and push it that way. Otherwise, it's not going to work. You always want to test it after you put the battery in. This does come with a mounting template, which is right here. You can also just measure between the two. But we're going to use this, and after we do that, we're going to use a 3/16 drill bit, because that's what it says, and we're going to use that with the anchors and the provided screws here. So we're up close to ceiling level. We're kind of right here near the ceiling. We're going to put this right here. And I kind of ripped it off of the instructions just so I wouldn't have the instructions flapping everywhere. And all I'm going to do is just mark through with a little pen on each side, make sure it's semi-level there. So now we have our 2 little holes here. There were pen marks that we just marked. So now we're just going to drill with a 3/16 bit here. So you will need a drill for this. So that's 1. Now you can use a stud finder. I just use with acoustics, banging with my hand, but obviously a stud finder would be safer. If you get resistance, obviously you wouldn't need an anchor here. But the worst thing, you wouldn't want to drill into any water pipes or electrical. So now at this point, we'll go ahead and get our anchors here, pop those on in. So we got the red little anchors. These go in all the way. You can tap those in with a hammer, which we'll do at the end. And we'll just change our drill bit up here. So we'll put the screw on and we'll go in nice and slow. And we'll kind of leave it kind of like that. So where it's not all the way in, because these are basically going to be like picture hangers for our carbon monoxide alarm. Now you just go ahead and hang it up. Because remember, these will go in and then it'll pull down onto the screws. So we'll just make sure we have it in the right spot. Make sure it's even. And there you go. Simple as that. And if it is coming off the wall too much for your liking, you can just sink both screws in a tad bit more and it should be a little bit more flush. So again, I'm going to go ahead and link this down below. They've got that battery door in the back, and when you need to change the battery, I think the battery should last a year on these, and these do have, it says, a 5-year limited warranty on these. So, and they have an end-of-life warning, so when the battery is going to be dying, it'll let you know for sure. So I am linking these down below, guys. I hope this video helped.